Hi, my name is Andy Gutmetz, and I would like to help you get started with PHP, the world's most loved and most used web scripting language. During the course of this module, I will give you some background information on PHP, tell you why it is so popular, and then install PHP on a web server so that it can serve PHP content. Once everything has been set up and is working properly, we'll do an obligatory Hello World application. However, it's a more sophisticated version of Hello World than you may have seen before. PHP is very pragmatic, quite easy to get into, so you do not need a formal background in computer science to create excellent PHP applications. For this course, you just need some basic HTML knowledge, and a knowledge of any programming language doesn't hurt, but it's not utterly required.